Have you ever wondered what makes American lemons so fresh and nutritious? On average, each American lemon contains around 30 to 50 milligrams of vitamin C, providing over 50% of your daily requirement in just one fruit, while being incredibly low in calories with only about 17 per lemon. It's this perfect combination of bold flavor and impressive nutritional value that makes them truly special. To ensure healthy growth and high yields, proper soil preparation is absolutely essential for lemon trees. The soil must be loose, well-drained, and have an ideal pH range between 5.5 and 7.5. Before planting, the soil is thoroughly tilled, all weeds are completely removed, and disease-causing pathogens are treated using either organic or chemical methods to minimize the risk of pests that could harm young plants. Lemon varieties are commonly propagated through bud grafting rather than by seed to ensure uniform growth, faster fruiting, and reduced risk of root-borne diseases. After selecting the desired variety, the young plants are nurtured in a nursery for about 6 to 12 months. Once they have developed a strong root system, they are ready to be transplanted into the field, beginning a new journey of adapting to natural conditions and growing vigorously. This nursery phase lays a solid foundation for the tree's long-term health and high productivity. In spring or early autumn, when the weather is cooler, farmers begin planting lemon trees. The trees are spaced about 12 to 20 feet apart to allow ample room for canopy growth and to facilitate effective photosynthesis. After planting, drip irrigation systems are used to maintain the necessary soil moisture, especially during dry seasons, helping prevent both drought stress and waterlogging. Additionally, periodic fertilization plays a vital role in the growth of lemon trees. Farmers usually apply organic fertilizers combined with NPK fertilizers, particularly nitrogen, to promote healthy plant development. During the growing season, lemon trees are susceptible to various pests due to the humid environment. American farmers use natural predators like ladybugs to feed on aphids and parasitic wasps to destroy pest eggs. These are combined with pruning and orchard sanitation practices to keep the trees ventilated, reduce disease spread, and remove old or infected branches. Lemon trees enter the flowering stage when young shoots thrive and produce small, light green buds that bloom into fragrant white flowers. These attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. Once pollinated, the petals gradually fall off, making way for young fruits to form. As the fruit matures, its peel changes from green to yellow or remains green, depending on the variety. When the lemons reach the proper ripeness, harvesting is mostly done by hand to ensure fruit quality and prevent skin damage. Harvesters use sharp scissors or specialized knives to cut the fruit stems about 0.2 to 0.4 inches from the lemon, minimizing damage to the branches and encouraging further blooming and fruiting in the next season. During collection, lemons are placed carefully into baskets or crates to avoid bruising or crushing from rough handling. After harvesting, lemons are washed with water to remove dirt, pesticide residues, and bacteria. They are then sorted based on size, color, and quality. The lemons that meet the required standards are moved onto storage and packaging processes in ensuring freshness and quality by the time they reach consumers. Once sorted, fresh lemons are stored at temperatures between 41 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit to maintain freshness and prevent spoilage during transportation. For export shipments, some batches are kept in cold storage with controlled humidity, which helps extend their shelf life to about 2 to 3 months. Lemons are then packed in cardboard boxes, mesh bags, or large sacks depending on market demand. Cardboard boxes are typically used for exports, while mesh bags and sacks are more suitable for local distribution. The packed lemons are transported by refrigerated trucks or containers to ensure freshness, ready to supply supermarkets, wholesale markets, and export markets. Fresh lemons can be sold whole or pre-sliced for added convenience. Additionally, lemons are juiced to produce bottled lemon juice, refreshing beverages, or used as an ingredient in the food industry. Lemon peels are utilized to extract essential oils, which are widely used in cosmetics, perfumes, and natural cleaning products. Furthermore, lemons are also dried and ground into powder to make seasonings or processed into products like jam, syrup, and pharmaceuticals. With its wide range of applications, lemons are not only a popular fruit, but also bring significant economic value to both the agricultural and food industries.